In order to create viral and monetizable YouTube videos, it is essential to concentrate on crafting distinctive and captivating titles that draw viewers in. It is also crucial to produce high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Utilizing eye-catching thumbnails that are optimized with relevant keywords and tags can enhance your visibility in search results. Engaging with your viewers by responding to comments and fostering a sense of community around your channel is vital. In addition to producing engaging content, there are numerous avenues through which you can generate income from your YouTube channel. You have the option to enable ads through the YouTube Partner Program, secure sponsorships from brands, engage in affiliate marketing, sell branded merchandise, offer exclusive membership programs, create and sell digital products, or even license your content for additional revenue streams. Success on YouTube requires patience, perseverance, and a dedication to continual improvement. Focus on delivering high-quality content that resonates with your audience while exploring diverse monetization strategies to maximize your earnings.